welcome to my channel Gauri Achar. Today in this video I am unboxing Usha Janam Marvella automated sewing machine. We all know how much a tailor going to charge just to alter single kurta, so it's better to have our own sewing machine in our home. It saves our energy, time as well as money. So come, let's get started how to use this sewing machine and review of this sewing machine. Let's check what's there inside the box. There is one instruction book. In this they have given information about this Usha Janam Marvella automatic sewing machine. They explained about parts and patterns of threads and how to use this, etc. Then they have given thread box for free. Beautiful thread box, and in this measuring tape is there, and they have given extra set of needles if the given needle is broken means, and colorful threads are there. Then they have given also a scissor. Here is a foot pedal and plug to connect to the sewing machine. With this we can stitch easily. And here the number of thread patterns are here. You can see. If you turn this pattern dial, the pattern of the thread will automatically switch into other. This is a reverse thread button. If you press, it will go reverse. This is bobbin winder, and this is a toolbox. Inside this they have given extra 2 presser foots. This kind of needle is used to remove the stitch extra threads, and this presser foot is used to stitch on the buttons. This also helpful to stitch on the buttons. And again extra set of needles. This presser foot is helpful to zigzag the sarees or edges of any dress. This helpful to overlock. So let's connect the plug to the sewing machine. This kind of plug you have to insert inside the stitching machine, and foot pedal you have to place down like this. It's easy to press. Then connect the adapter to pass the power to sewing machine. Immediately the light will turn on. It helps to stitch cloth thoroughly. Now let's thread the bobbin. I have taken an empty bobbin. Here I'll choose the light blue color. Place the thread at a spool pin. You can see here. Then take the thread across the hook, and from this wheel, then roll twice and place the bobbin at the bobbin window. Then move to the left side so it will turn on. Then press the foot pedal. It will start to roll on. Then you can easily roll the thread for the empty bobbin. Now it started. You can see how it's rolling. Now it's ready. Cut the thread from the thread cutter. Move the bobbin into right side and remove. See how it's filled with thread. Now open the flatbed attachment and bobbin compartment. Take out the bobbin case and insert the bobbin that filled with thread, and take one string out and place it back the bobbin case in the bobbin compartment. Now close that slot. Keep back again the toolbox or flatbed attachment. Now I'll show you how to set the sewing machine or how to thread the needle properly. Now take the thread across this hook and take a U-turn. Then roll the balance wheel. You will get a thread take up lever. You have to insert thread in that also. Now take down the thread. There is one hook. Come across that hook. At last, finally you have to go through the needle. Presser foot lifter always should be down while you are threading the needle. Now it's down, you can see. Now we can start stitching. Once you turn the balance wheel, so the bobbin thread also will come out. See, you can see the number of patterns and pattern dial here. If you turn the pattern dial, the patterns will switch on easily to one another. Turn on the balance wheel while you are starting the stitching. Otherwise the thread will come out from the needle. Here I'll show you all kind of the thread patterns now. Cut the extra thread. Now I'm changing to the B pattern. Before starting stitching, you have to lift up the presser foot lifter, and then you can easily place the cloth. After placing the cloth, you have to lift down the presser foot lifter, then start stitching. Now pattern C. This is upper tension control. It controls the thread. When it becomes too loose or too tight, you can manage with that control dial. Now pattern D. I am shooting this video with the front camera, that's why you are getting mirror image. Here I am done with all kind of patterns. With this you can stitch up dresses with different kind of patterns. After finishing of work, you have to switch off. Here is the button to turn on or switch off. Then remove the foot pedal. At last they have given a polythene bag to cover the sewing machine. It protects the machine from dust. It's clearly cover the machine from all the side and guards the machine. Hope you all found my video useful. If you do not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe now itself, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up, press the bell icon so that you will get all kind of notification from my channel. Stay tuned for more interesting topics. Until that next video, take care, bye bye, good day.